Resetting Samsung voicemail, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Have you been having trouble with your Samsung voicemail and are wondering if you need to contact your service provider for a reset? You'll be pleased to know that you can often reset it yourself, without the need for assistance from your service provider. In this video, we will guide you through the process, step by step.
Do I always need to contact my service provider?
In most cases, you do not need to contact your service provider to reset your Samsung voicemail. Usually, this task can be done by accessing your voicemail settings directly from your Samsung device. However, some situations may require you to contact your provider, such as if you've forgotten your voicemail password and can't reset it on your device.
How to reset voicemail on Samsung.
Here comes the part you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the process of resetting your voicemail. 1. Open your phone app. This is the app you use to make calls. Look for a dial pad symbol on your Samsung device. 2. Access voicemail settings. Depending on your specific Samsung model and service provider, there may be a shortcut to voicemail settings. Often, you can hold down the 1 key on your dial pad. If this doesn't work, try dialing your own phone number. 3. Navigate to the main menu. In your voicemail, listen for voice prompts and follow instructions to reach the main menu. 4. Select Administrative Options, or equivalent. Once in the main menu, listen for an option about Administrative or Personal settings. Select this option. 5. Select Reset Voicemail, or equivalent. Follow voice prompts to find an option about resetting your voicemail. Please note, the exact wording might differ based on your carrier.
What if I can't reset my voicemail on my device?
There are times when the standard process won't work. Perhaps you can't access the settings on your device or you've forgotten your voicemail password. In these cases, it will be necessary to contact your service provider for assistance. They can reset your voicemail remotely or guide you through a different reset process. So there you have it. A guide on how to reset your Samsung voicemail. We hope this video has been helpful and you've successfully managed to reset your voicemail. Remember, if you're still having trouble, it's always a good idea to reach out to your service provider for support. Thanks for watching and happy calling.